Om Sri Sai Ram. My most humble pranam at the lotus divine feet of Mother Sai. Today we start our computer class. First of all, join your hands, close your eyes. Start 3 Omkars. Om. 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 Sai Ram. Today we start lesson number 4, the keyboard. THE, the KEYBOARD, keyboard. Lesson number 4, the keyboard. This is the most important part of our computer. We can type the letters, numbers by using the keyboard. In this chapter, we learn about the different keys of a keyboard. Keys, KEY, keys, OF, of, THE, the, KEYBOARD, keyboard. Keys of the keyboard. READ, read. THE, the, NAMES, names. OF, of, THE, the, KEYS, keys. YOU, HAVE, have. WRITTEN, return. IN, in. THE, the. GET, get. SET, set. ACTIVITY, activity. Read the names of the keys you have written in the get set activity. THESE, these. KEYS, keys. ARER, USED, used. TO2, TYPE, type. ON, on. A, COMPUTER, computer. These keys are used to type on a computer. ASS, WEV, TYPE, type. A, BLINKING, blinking. LINE, line. MOVES, moves. TO2, THE, the. RIGHT, right. As we type, a blinking line moves to the right. THIS, this. BLINKING, blinking. LINE, line. On. THE, the. SCREEN, screen. IS, is. CALLED, called. THE, the. CURSOR, cursor. This blinking line on the screen is called the cursor. What is the use of keyboard? A keyboard is used to type on a computer. We can type animal letters, numbers, names, whatever you want to type, you can type by using the keyboard. When we type a small blinking line that called cursor, it moves the right. जब हम टाइप करते हैं तो स्मॉल जो ब्लिंकिंग लाइन होती है, इट्स कॉल्ड द कर्सर. क्या कहते हैं उसे हम? कर्सर कहते हैं। वो किस साइड मूव होती है? टू मूव द राइट साइड। राइट साइड धीरे धीरे आगे मूव होती जाती है। And that small blinking line called a cursor. You can see this is the picture of keyboard. You can see the picture of keyboard. Here is the caps lock key, backspace key, arrow keys, delete key, shift key. First of all, we learn about the arrow key. ARROW arrow, KEYS keys, arrow keys. WEVCAN can, USE use, THE the, ARROW arrow, KEYS keys, TO2 MOVE move, THE the, CURSOR cursor, ON on, THE the, SCREEN screen. We can use the arrow keys to move the cursor on the screen. THERE there, ARER FOUR 4 ARROW arrow, KEYS keys, ON on, KEYBOARD keyboard. There are 4 arrow keys on a keyboard. What is the use of arrow keys? The arrow keys is used to move the cursor on the screen. And how many arrow keys are there? There are 4 arrow keys. WEV USE use, THE the, UP up, ARROW arrow, KEY key, TO2 MOVE move, THE the, CURSOR cursor, UP up. We use the up arrow key to move the cursor up. WEV USE use, THE the, DOWN down, ARROW arrow, KEY key, TO2 MOVE move, THE the, CURSOR cursor, DOWN down. We use the down arrow key to move the cursor down. WEV USE use, THE the, LEFT left, ARROW arrow, KEY key, TO2 MOVE move, THE the, CURSOR cursor, TO2 THE the, LEFT left. We use the left arrow key to move the cursor to the left. WEV USE use, THE the, RIGHT right, ARROW arrow, KEY key, TO2 MOVE move, THE the, CURSOR cursor, TO2 THE the, RIGHT right. We use the right arrow key to move the cursor to the right. There are 4 arrow keys are there. You can see in this picture these 4 arrow keys. This is up arrow key, this is down arrow key, this is left arrow key, and this is right arrow key. You can move your cursor in 4 directions: up, down, left, right. Whichever direction you want to move your cursor, you press that arrow key. आपको जिस तरफ अपने कर्सर को लेके जाना है, अप लेके जाना है, तो यू प्रेस द अप एरो की. इफ यू वांट टू गो डाउन, प्रेस द डाउन एरो की. अगर आपको लेफ्ट साइड लेके जाना है, प्रेस द लेफ्ट एरो की. और राइट साइड लेके जाना है, तो यू प्रेस द राइट एरो की. CAPS कैप्स, LOCK लॉक, KEY की, कैप्स लॉक की. WHEN when, WEVTYPE type, WORDS words, APPEAR appear, IN in, SMALL small, LETTERS letters. When we type words, appears in small letters. IF if, YOU, WANT want, TO2, TYPE type, IN in, CAPITAL capital, LETTERS letters, PRESS press, THE the, CAPS caps, LOCK lock, KEY key. If you want to type in capital letters, press the caps lock key. Whenever we type on a computer, a word appears in a small letters. Suppose you want to type in a capital letter, that time you press the caps lock key. If you want to type in a capital letter, you have to press the caps lock key. Now we can understood the steps how to we type in a capital letter by this example. OPEN open, WORDPAD WordPad, ANN TYPE type, NAME name, THE the, TEXT text, WILL will, APPEAR appear, IN in, SMALL small, LETTERS letters. Open WordPad and type name. The text will appear in small letters because normally text are in small letters. Now PRESS press, THE the, CAPS caps, LOCK lock, KEY key, ONCE once. Press the caps lock key once. THE the, CAPS caps, LOCK lock, KEY key, LIGHT light, GLOS glows, ON on, THE the, KEY BOARD keyboard. The caps lock key light glows on the keyboard. You can see that light on your keyboard. Whenever you press the caps lock key, the light will glow on your keyboard. THIS this, SHOWS shows, THAT that, CAPS caps, LOCK lock, IS is on. This shows the caps lock is on. TYPE type, NAME name, AGAIN again, THE the, TEXT text, WILL will, NOW now, APPEAR appear, IN in, CAPITAL capital, LETTERS letters. Type name again. The text will now appear in capital letter. Why? Because you on the caps lock key. आपने caps lock key on कर दी है. That's why your text will appear in capital letter. यहाँ पर देखो हमने कैप्स लॉक की ऑन नहीं की थी इसलिए वो स्मॉल में आया. यहाँ पे हमने कैप्स लॉक की ऑन कर दी है इसलिए वो कैपिटल में आएगा. Then PRESS press, THE the, CAPS caps, LOCK lock, KEY key, ONCE once, AGAIN again. Press the caps lock key once again. THE the, CAPS caps, LOCK lock, KEY key, LIGHT light, STOPS stops, GLOWING glowing. The caps lock key light stop glowing. THIS this, SHOWS shows, THAT that, CAPS caps, LOCK lock, IS is, OFF off. This shows that caps lock key is off. AGAIN again, TYPE type, NAME name, again type name, THE the, TEXT text, WILL will, NOW now, APPEAR appear, IN in, SMALL small, LETTERS letters. The text will now appear in small letters. When you press again caps lock key, what's happen? Your caps lock key light stop glowing. That means your caps lock key is off. मतलब आपका caps lock key बंद हो गया है, off हो गया है. So again you can type in a normal text, small letter. Whatever you type, that's come in a small letter. वो capital में नहीं आएगा, वो normal small letter में ही आएगा. SHIFT shift, KEY key, shift key, LOOK look, AT at, THE the, KEY BOARD keyboard, KAREFULLY carefully. Look at the keyboard carefully. YOUCAN can, SEEC, THE the, KEYS keys, WITH with LETTERS letters, NUMBERS numbers, AND and SYMBOLS symbols. You can see the keys with letters, numbers and symbols. The LETTERS letters, NUMBERS numbers, and SYMBOLS symbols, ARERCALLED called, CHARACTERS characters. The letters, numbers and symbols are called characters. You can see in this keyboard there are numbers keys, letters and symbols keys, all that keys are there. We can also call them characters. YOUCAN can, SEEC, SOME some, KEYS keys, WITH with, TWO CHARACTERS characters, ON THEM them. You can see some keys with two characters on them. FOR for EXAMPLE example. For example, you can see these two keys are there. There are two characters on a single key. Here is 8 and here star is there also. Here is the dot and greater than symbol is also there. There are two characters on a single key. WHEN when, YOUPRESS press, 8 YOUWILL will, GET get, 8 ON THE the, MONITOR monitor. When you press 8, you will get 8 on the monitor. TO2 TYPE type, THE the, CHARACTER character, FOLLOW follow, THESE these, STEPS steps. To type the character star, follow these steps. First of all, PRESS press, AND HOLD hold, THE the, SHIFT shift, KEY key. Press and hold the shift key. Then PRESS press, YOUWILL will, GET get, ON THE the, MONITOR monitor. Press 8, you will get star on the monitor. SIMILARLY. Similarly, YOUCAN can, USC use, THE the, SHIFT shift, KEY key, WITH with, THE the, OTHER other, KEYS keys, HAVING having, TWO2 characters, characters. Similarly, you can use the shift key with the other key having two characters. YOUCAN can, ALSO also, USE use, THE the, SHIFT shift, KEY key, TO2, TYPE type, IN in, CAPITAL capital, LETTERS letters, FOR for, EXAMPLE example. You can also use the shift key to type in capital letters. For example, here are two examples are there. Whenever you want to type a capital letter, you can also use the shift key. Press the shift key and then A. It means capital A will appear on your screen. If you press your character key or alphabet key with the shift key, that will be appears on a capital letter. And one another use of shift key, when in a single key there are two characters are there, like is 8 or star is there. Normally you press this button, the 8 will be comes on your screen. But if you press with the shift key, that time you can see star on your screen. अगर शिफ्ट के साथ हम 8 को प्रेस करेंगे तो उसके ऊपर वाला कैरेक्टर यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे दिखाई देगा. सेम थिंग हमें कैपिटल में टाइप करना है तो वी कैन प्रेस द शिफ्ट की विथ दैट पर्टिकुलर की. शिफ्ट के साथ हम अगर ए को प्रेस करेंगे तो दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी इन अ कैपिटल लेटर. BACK बैक, SPACE स्पेस, KEY की, बैक स्पेस की, WEV USE use, THE the, BACK back, SPACE backspace, KEY key, TO2 DELETE delete, CHARACTERS characters, TYPED typed, on, THE the, LEFT left, SIDE side, OF off, THE the, CURSOR cursor. We use the backspace key to delete characters typed on the left side of the cursor. SANYA Sanya, HAS has, TYPED typed, MOTHAR, INSTEAD instant, OF off, MOTHER mother. Sanya has types Modar instead of mother. TO2 CORRECT correct, THE the, SPELLING spelling, OF off, MOTHER mother, USING using, THE the, BACK SPACE backspace, KEY key, FOLLOW follow, THES these, STEPS steps. To correct the spelling of mother using the backspace key, follow these steps. Number 1. PLACE place, THE the, cursor, cursor, after, after a. Then press, press, the, backspace, backspace, key key. Press the backspace key. First of all, place the cursor after A, then after press the backspace key. Then type, type, the, letter E. Type the letter E. Your spelling will be corrected. Backspace key is used to rub the letter from the left side. लेफ्ट साइड से लेटर को रफ करने के लिए होता है एंड देन यू कैन करेक्ट योर letters or sentence, whatever it is. Next, delete, delete, key, key, delete key, wev, use, use, the, delete, delete, key, key, to2, delete, delete, characters, characters, typed, typed, on, the, rigst, right, side, side, off, the, cursor, cursor. We use the delete key to delete characters typed on the right side of the cursor. to2, correct, correct, the, spelling, spelling, off, mother, mother, using, using, the, delete, delete, key, key, follow, follow, these, steps, steps. To correct the spelling of mother using the delete key, follow these steps. Number 1, place, place, the, cursor, before, before a. Then press, press, the, delete, delete, key, key, type, the, letter E. If you want to correct your spelling by using the delete key, follow these steps. First of all, place the cursor before A. Then after, press the delete key. Then what happen? Delete key will delete your wrong character from the right side. ध्यान रखना, बैकस्पेस की लेफ्ट साइड से डिलीट करती है और डिलीट की राइट साइड से कैरेक्टर को डिलीट करती है. And then type the letter E, your correct word. Both key are used to delete characters, but remember one thing, backspace key is delete characters from the left side and delete key delete characters from the right side. Now class is over, your chapter is also complete. Join your hands, close your eyes, do the Shanti mantra. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram. Take care.